He nui te hirahira o te rā o ngā hoia mō Hare Pitama.
I guess so that their sacrifice is not forgotten. You know? I look at my moko and really hope that they will never have to do something that our tipuna had to do on our behalf, really.
Ko Pitama te mātāmua o tōna whānau, nō reira nāna i rangahau te whakapapa o tōna tipuna me ngā hoia i haere ki te pakanga ki tā wāhi.
There's 3 of my tipuna that served.
Te Hare Kaahu Pitama, Hora Pitama, St John Charles, Tika.
Thankfully, my tipuna returned from World War I, and many of them took up leadership roles when they returned, but also no doubt carried with them much of the trauma that they would have experienced there.
Ko tētahi o ngā hua o ana rangahau, ko tētahi reta nā praiweti wiremu a Pitama i tuhi ki tōna māma no te 14 o akuhata i te tau ko tahi mano e iwarau 15.
We were struck with a bullet into his thigh, yet he writes that, he goes, "Oh, it'll get better, it'll be okay," and he was hoping to be up and moving as quick as possible. He also spoke about his brother and some of his other whānau as well. The Turks left the trenches. What I saw left was 2 wounded and 1 killed in the trenches. They never gave us a chance to have a go with them, with the bayonets at them. We captured the trenches amidst our huckers and cheering. I can't imagine what a mother would feel like sending her sons to war, so far away from Aotearoa. And I imagine her receiving that letter would have provided a level of comfort and probably some sadness too, but at least it was a record, I guess, of that she would probably cherish too.
Nō te tau 2007 i tīmatai a Ngāti Wheke ki te whakamanuhiri i te rā o ngā hoia. Ko Mariana Phillips raua ko Hori Briggs i tīmata i tēnei rangi hei whakamihi ki ngā hoia nō Rāpaki.
We had Whaitiri Manahera. He was our first from Rāpaki. So it was really about him and acknowledging the men from Rāpaki that were not being acknowledged.
Nā hakua ka tai atua Pitama ki te whakamihi ki ona tūpuna i a tau, ko tahi anake te tūpuna motuhake i tūtaki ia ki aia.
My grandfather, who I'm named after, Hare Kaahu Pitama, served in World War II, along with his brothers. Although he passed when I was 5, I've heard stories from my dad. He provided for his family well and left a legacy within our family that I, as his namesake, have tried to uphold my entire life.
I te heke ngā tū o te rā tainoa ki te aranga mai te ata, ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.